Why was he sacked?
Good question. My mother didn't give me a good reason why she fired him. But I'm hoping to bring him back.
Oh, please do. He's such a good cook.
Yeah. You know, he was employed about the same time my father was poisoned.
What?
Yeah.
And you never told me this? Wait, is this how the king died?
Yeah, he was poisoned.
Oh my god. And I've been eaten from the palace.
Well, it was believed that our previous cook poisoned the king. And that was why we got a new one. It's pretty confusing because the new chef thinks my father was not poisoned by the old one. He thinks a stranger killed my father. After he talked about having a drawing of a stranger who he saw the same day my father died.
My god. But I thought there's an adequate security in this palace.
Well, yeah, there is, but like I said, the chef said he saw a stranger and he has a drawing of the same person.
Oh.
That's crazy.
That's commendable. I'm sure he'll add the police in doing the investigations. Oh no, poor king. He was such a good man.
Yeah, my father was a good king.
I know. Oh my god. I'm so sorry.
Thank you, Ezebo, for honoring my invitation. I had a very shocking news from my daughter this afternoon, and I said, let me call you so that we'll share it together.
What is it?
She told me that late Igwe is the father of our child.
Which Igwe?
The late one.
Ha! How sure is she?
Very, very sure. Very, very sure. So I called you so that I will hear from you. I don't want to approach the queen or the royal family yet.
I understand. And what you did was right. You shouldn't have gone to that place because she will misunderstand you. Maybe she will do something you will not like.
That is why I said, let me call you. I took her.
Hey. I will consult our chief priest and ascertain the veracity of your claim before meeting the other elders with this matter. It's a serious matter. Don't you understand?
Thank you, one name. I will appreciate if you do that.
Hey! Hey, we. Malo, odi banjo. Odi banjo maori igwe. Hey,
thank you.
Oh my God! Shh. I don't want to hurt you, please. I don't want to hurt you.
Oh, you scared me.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Why did you kill my father? Why?
No. Just calm down. Let me tell you everything. It's not what you think.
You have 5 minutes. Mother, meet my friend, Chuka. My fiancé, to be precise.
Oh, the one you have been telling me about?
Exactly, Mom.
Greetings, Your Majesty. It's a pleasure meeting you.
The pleasure is mine. You're welcome. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Yes, Mom.
Sip something.
Right away.
Now listen, Mr. Nobody. I don't know what you must have told my daughter or how you were able to convince her into falling for a riffraff like you. But I am warning you. Stop seeing my daughter henceforth.
But my queen, I love your daughter.
How dare you say that to my face? Do you want to get hot?
No, my queen.
Then stay away from my daughter. You are not of the same class. My daughter cannot get married to a low life like you. Never. Do I make myself clear?
Mom, I can't seem to find the palace maidens. They are all...
I have to be on my way now.
Chuka, you just got here.
Yeah, I got a business call and I need to attend to it immediately. My queen, sorry for the quick exit.
Yes, you have to attend to your business. After you people are married. Ada?
Chuka! Chuka! Chuka, wait! Chuka! Chuka! What's going on?
Nothing, but I'm leaving now.
Chuka, you and I know there is no business you're currently doing. So why the rush? Tell me what I need to know. And now.
Ada, I don't need troubles, okay? I don't want any trouble at all.
What is going on? What is I don't want troubles? What's going on? Talk to me.
It's your mother. Your mother.
Babe, please. Talk to me. What did my mother tell you? How could you, mother? How could you say that to him?
You should thank your God your father wasn't around. If not, he would have asked for his head immediately.
Why? Why, if I may ask? What's his crime? His only crime is that he came to show himself to you as my man.
Did you hear yourself? Did you? What is the relationship? Where is the relationship? Where is it? Eh? How are you in any way of the same class with that low life?
Mother, it is not about class, but love. I love him.
You should be out of your mind. You should be out of your mind if you think you can marry just anybody. A low life like that. You are a princess. Have you forgotten?
Mother, I know who I am. Yes, I am a princess, but that shouldn't debar me from getting married to who I want.
For the interest of peace and his life, do not take him anywhere close to your father. If not, that will be his end. Mark it.
What are you talking about? This is my happiness. It is my happiness we are talking about. It is. I love him! And that is fine now.
Beautiful daughter, what's going on? You don't look happy. Come on, talk to your father.
I've been denied the love of my life.
Denied? How?
brought a man home to marry me. But instead of mother giving her approval, she rejected him. She disapproved of him, saying that he's not in my class. Why?
Really? It's okay. You don't have to blame your mother. These days, young men fall in love with women for personal gains. And true love is hard to find.
Daddy. Oh. It is not applicable to Chuka. I love him. And he loves me genuinely. Please, Daddy. Don't deny me a chance at happiness, please.
No one must deny my beautiful daughter her chance to be happy, okay? You need our consent. So allow me to speak with your mother about it, okay? It's okay.
Daddy, please, I love him.
Trust me. Anything that will make you happy, okay? Come on. Sit down. Sit down. Smile for daddy. Come on. This is my princess.
Relax. I'm not going to eat you up, okay? You don't need to bother yourself, okay? I'm not going to eat you up.
I have done everything humanly possible to avoid the princess. Yet she keeps coming close to me.
Oh, it's all for good. I have been seeing both of you around. But in as much as I was disappointed in you for disobeying my orders, I still swallow it and look forward to doing business with you. So tell me, what do you do for a living?
I'm an engineer by profession.
Oh, no need to tell lies. You don't need to lie. Because I smell poverty all over you. From the first day I set my eyes on you miles away. There is no shame you telling me you are doing nothing. You don't need to be ashamed of telling me that you are not working. Let me see how to help you.
Well, you're not far from the truth. Lately, I've not been engaged.
Now you are talking. I have a deal for you. And if you do it perfectly well, I will reward you with my daughter.
A deal? My queen, just mention it and consider it done.
been wishing you said no to this. I wished you said no, that you didn't kill my father, but you did.
It's your mother. The queen. Yeah. She pushed me into doing this. My mother.
My mother. My mother. Oh. My mother.
I'm sorry. You see, I had to do it because I could do anything to have you. I'm sorry.
You're a monster!
I'm sorry.
Monster!
I'm sorry.
God. Oh my God!
I could do anything to have you. I'm sorry.
Oh my God. Mother.
I'm sorry.
Where have you been all day?
Police station.
What's happening there?
I want to give them the drawing.
Drawing? Which drawing?
The one you've been hiding from me.
How?
Oh yes. I told the cook to sketch another image of the person he saw. I took it to the police before I asked him to leave. Mother, what are you hiding from me?
Hiding? No, I'm not hiding anything. I destroyed the drawing just because I wouldn't want it to be linked to an innocent person. Since he claimed to be the only person who saw the stranger, so I wasn't hiding anything.
I thought you were hiding something from me. So I asked him to sketch another image of the person he saw. I took it straight to the police. Investigation is ongoing, and I want to believe they would get back to me before nightfall.
Oh, that will be fine. That will be fine. I pray that we get to the bottom of this. It's too much. Did you just prepare that rubbish?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh! And you're even proud saying it to my face. You're proud.
No, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Sorry for yourself. You must be ashamed of yourself.
I'm sorry.
What exactly are you doing in this palace as a woman if you can't cook? It is you that is supposed to be sacked and not that fine man.
Ma, I will appreciate if you willingly teach me how to cook.
I should teach you how to cook. What exactly are you doing in this palace as a woman if you can't cook?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Get out.
Thank you, ma'am.
A big girl like you can cook. Rubbish.
I saw the maids leaving. What were they doing for you?
Oh, Princess, you're back. I was teaching them how to cook.
Belinda, do you realize that you are about to become the future queen of this land?
Do you? I don't understand. Why the question?
What I'm trying to say is that you shouldn't be in the kitchen for anything when we have domestic staff to run your errands.
Well, I live in a palace where the maidens there are horrible cooks. Your mother sacked a good cook that made decent meals for us ever since I got back. But what we have in this palace right now are horrible cooks. But no, I can't deal with it.
Did you listen to me at all? I mean, your position in this palace.
I don't care about my position as far as my satisfaction is concerned. Though I'm from a rich home, my parents are very rich, that doesn't mean I'll avoid the kitchen, especially when I know how to cook. My mom taught us how to cook, despite having several cooks and nannies in my father's house.
You are going to be royalty. I mean, this is a palace and I expect you to...
Oh, what? Please, Ada, I'm hungry. Please, allow me to fix something and eat. Okay? I don't need any distraction for now. We can talk about my position when I'm done eating. Thank you.
Where is she? You witch! How dare you, Mother? Mother! Why did you do it? I don't understand you. What do you mean you don't understand? You manipulated Chuka into carrying out your evil deeds and you stand here to tell me that you don't understand? Ada, please lower your voice. I have lost every iota of respect for you. Therefore, I am going to scream on top of my voice. Why did you kill my father? Ada. Why? Why, Mother? He was nothing but a loving and good father. He was kind to you, to us, his children.
Ada, your brother is around though. Lower your voice, calm down.
Now watch me go to him and tell him everything that I know.
Ada, wait. You don't know what your father did to me. I thought I knew him.
What did he do to you? What possibly could he have done that you didn't forgive him? What did he do to have earned him his death? What, Mother? Talk to me! I need answers! To think that you manipulated Chuka into carrying out your vicious acts. Mother, you told me you promised him me after he's done. Why?
There was a price for it too. If he should be honest with you, there was a price.
I have given your proposal a thought, but I don't think it is commensurate enough.
What is more commiserating than having my daughter as your bride?
That's okay, but I want money attached to it.
That's the poor man in you talking.
I'm not a poor man.
Shut up! You don't know that having my daughter as your bride comes with many bonuses, which you know that money is one of it.
I need 10 million naira.
10 million naira? Consider it done. But I want you to do what I asked you to do and do it immediately. Out of my car.
So when am I getting the money?
Out.
Excuse me.
I paid him 10 million naira to carry out that assignment. 10 good million naira. He did not do it entirely just to have you.
You haven't answered my question. Why did you kill my father?
Ada, we are in big mess, so.
No! No! You are the only one who is in a mess right now. Because by the time I am done running my mouth to the police, you will...
Ada, allow me to talk. Listen to me and listen carefully now. Your brother asked the cook to make another drawing for him, which he did, and handed it over to your brother shortly before we sacked him. Your brother has given the drawing to the police. So they are using it to trace Chuka, your boyfriend.
Stop calling him my boyfriend! He is not my boyfriend! He ceases to be my boyfriend the moment he carried your acts, your own evil acts. Stop it!
Ada, the police will trace Chuka. Arrest him. He will confess and mention you.
No. You alone. You alone will be exposed. You! Just you!
Ada, whether you like it or not, Chuka is your boyfriend. Yes! And by the time he starts talking, your name will be mentioned. Trust the police where they are doing their findings.
You are such an evil woman. You are so evil that I can see it, I can feel it, I can feel your venom. God.
After consulting the chief priest, I can boldly tell you that our king has a son outside the palace.
An abomination. A seat of a king is not supposed to live outside the palace. Huh? In fact, our king will have a lot of questions to answer if he was to be alive.
But he isn't. So it is in our position to get that seed of his back to the palace where he belongs immediately. Yes.
But have you discussed this with the queen?
No, which is the reason why I choose to see Ezemo before making a conclusion. We need to have a day to approach the queen over this matter.
Let's fix the date now. No time to waste.
We have to immediately. Let's just move. Let's just move and do something.
Better.
After meeting with the Council of Elders, we finally decided to approach the palace with King's son. Yes, we are going to hand him over officially to the royal family.
Hey!
Of course, that's our decision.
Omaka, I am happy.
Though the elders were shocked, but at the same time, give thanks to the gods because this is additional to the royal family.
Hey! I am so happy, may the gods be praised. Hey! Nam, you ought to be happy. What is the problem?
Why not happy?
I've heard all you've said.
What is it, Ogene?
I've heard you now. Just give me time to think about it.
Time?
What is she talking about? Please look at the final decision. We are going there tomorrow. All the elders have met and said we are going there tomorrow. So you must prepare yourself. You must be available. At least to secure your future and of the little boy. It's very important. That's where you belong now.
Mama, I still need time to think about this. So.
What exactly do you need time for? And what are you thinking?
Mama, we're talking about the life of my child. I can't just put him at risk. You know what the royal family stands for. I can't do it though.
I know what you are driving at. But the chief priest has made his declaration based on his findings. Believe you me. The royal family are bound by the chief priest's directives. Huh?
Mama, how are you sure that they're not going to hurt us when we get there?
Nothing like that. So far this kingdom is concerned, it is very safe. You have the backing of the chief priest and the kingmaker, so nothing will happen to you and my grandson. But it's not possible.
Mama. Mama, please, oh. I'm only concerned about my child. I don't want to put the life of my child at risk. That's why I've decided to keep him away from all of this drama.
He needs to know his roots. You keeping me away from his roots is very unfair. Yes, please. Nothing will happen to both of you.
Did you say my sister screamed at you?
Let it go.
What the hell is wrong with her? Maybe I need to remind her I am next after my father. Nobody talks rudely to my woman. That's an insult to me.
Like I said, let it go, okay? I understand she doesn't like me, and I don't care. You're my focus in this palace, so be my focus as well. Okay? Please, let it go.
Come here. Thanks for your maturity. And I have to tell you something really important. Belinda, you're one of the reasons I will be crowned king.
I know I'm from a wealthy home, but your wish is my command.
Obi, I understand you perfectly well. Like, for real, I really understand you. But you can never know what future holds if you don't give it a trial. I suggest you go to the palace with your son. Then if you don't like anything, they don't like whatever they're doing, then you just walk away. Leave the palace. I wish I never told my mother about this. This was the reason I've been avoiding this. And I never wanted to tell my mother about this. Now look at what is happening. I'm not happy at all. I'm sick already. Okay, I'm just tired. You need to do something. I never saw the wisdom in you concealing the truth and rejecting your son, moving out to the palace where he belongs. I've not been really honest with you about your father.
Yes. You said that my dad traveled.
I lied. But yes, Dad traveled. Your dad traveled.
I didn't tell you the truth, I'm sorry. But your father is very much alive. And he's well. I lied to you so that I can protect you. I thought I was going to give you all you need, but I'm sorry I failed you. I'm so sorry. But before your dad died, he was a king.
A king. My dad.
A king. My dad was a king.
Yes.
Mom. My dad, Mom. I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Come move! Come make it. You're under arrest. I prefer you remain silent. Whatever is still I'm used against you in court of law. Oh yeah, move! This way! Move.
Mama, can this even mean what very bad? Is it dry?
No, I can't.
Huh?
By God's grace, I'll soon go to the market.
Don't worry. Oh, money will come. Money will come. Come now, you look at that.
Hello, who is here?
Good day, sir. Welcome, sir.
Hey.
You're welcome, sir.
Hey, thank you, madam. Hey, this one. How do you sell all these ones? Like this kingdom?
200 naira, sir.
200 naira.
No
reduction?
No, 200, sir. 200, sir.
Is that your last?
Yes, sir.
Okay, package it for me.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Oh, Dalo, sir. Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
God bless you, sir. I told you, money will come. As long as I am here today. Oh.
You get mini chinch.
Oh, dear, one day.
How much?
120.
100 naira.
Plus
So
120.
that's the price, oh?
100 naira.
No worry, no worry, no worry. How many? 2.
Oh. Nah, take it easy. My kid was slim chinchin.
Yeah.
No get like.
Well, take me as you see me. Take me as you see me.
Thank you. Dalo, sir.
Hey. Mama T is here. We are going to. Hello? Where are you going? Hey, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. I'll be there right away. I'll be there. Thank you. Thank you. Mama.
And now?
That was a prince. But I don't know how he got my number.
But you submitted your CV to him.
Oh! Yes!
He forgot.
Now I know how he got the number. I forgot to. Yes.
Hope there's no problem.
Mama, I don't see anything wrong in the prince wanting me to come to the palace to see him.
Palace?
Yes. Maybe his father's killer has been found.
Wankwo,
Mama?
be very careful. I'm sure you're not walking into a trap.
Mama, I don't see any trap here. I have not hurt anybody. So I wonder why someone would want to hurt me. I will go and find out why the prince wants to see me. Huh? Don't worry, I'll be careful. Should I even go now? Let me go now. Let me go and find out why. Huh? Okay, Mama. Oluchi, you are out. You are finally out.
Yes, I'm out.
Oh, so nice to see you again.
Uncle, I was tortured.
Oh.
I was...
No, Oluchi. You don't have to cry. Please don't cry. Oh?
It was when the police got a hold of a drawing that they investigated. That was how they arrested the man that killed the king.
So it was the man that I saw.
The man you saw? Wait. Are you the one that made that drawing?
Yes, Oluchi. You know, I know we've not been best of friends. And even if relationship didn't work out for us, I can't still be there and see you suffer for something that you didn't do. Eh? I was able to see the face of the man rushing out of the building the day the king died. That was how I was able to make the drawing. Eh? I'm happy you got your freedom.
What? Thank you.
Oh, mention it, Oluchi. Mention it.
Thank you so much.
Mention it, oh?
Mention what?
Look at you. Were you expecting me to say don't mention?
Oh, stop.
You must mention it only.
You always make silly jokes.
That's my hobby. Okay.
Oh. I got a call from the police. They said the murder suspect has been apprehended. I'm very excited because I'm going there to find out how my father died.
Son, I want to have a word with you. Your sister and Belinda, if she's still around.
Mom, let it wait until I...
No. It's very important. Very important that we talk, please.
Mom, can't it wait until I return?
It's about your father's mother.
What about it?
What I'm about to tell you is something I never knew I would say. But I will have to say it before the police gets here. The police? Mother, what exactly are you trying to say? Where are you driving at? And you were crying.
Mom, what do you mean the police and what are they coming to do?
It's not easy to say, but I have to say it. It's about your father. My husband. The late king. We were together. We loved each other. We cared for each other. We were role model to many. That is just the truth. Until one day,
please leave me. I am not in the mood. Why? If I be disturbing person.
Why?
Nothing.
This has been going on for some weeks now. What's going on?
Please, I'm tired. We've been doing this for years. Over 35 years. If you're not tired, I'm tired. Please, I have lost interest. Allow me to be.
What is the meaning of that? It's not like I've become an old man. I still have strength. I still can...
There is no doubt about that. You have strength that I know. Please, get yourself a younger woman that will take care of you.
Did you hear yourself?
You are a king. You are entitled to how many wives you can marry. Marry as many as you can marry. Allow me to rest now. Please, I am old. Don't want to kill me before my time. Every time sex. Don't get tired. The maidis said you refused to eat your food.
Or did they call you to the dining?
I am not hungry.
You are not hungry? This is unlike you. Considering the fact that you have not eaten since morning. So what is going on?
Really? Is that coming from you? I can't believe that.
I need to know why you refuse to eat your food.
Alright. For starters, I am not happy. Read my lips. I am not happy.
Wait. Let me get it right. You are not happy because of what happened yesterday night, right?
Yes, I am not.
If that be the case, that means you want to starve yourself. You can go ahead and do it, my dear husband.
You want to starve me in my palace? How dare you?
That is what you want. You can go ahead and starve. Starve! My dear husband, go on! Starve!
It's alright. I will have to tell the children about this before things go out of hand.
Wait. What are you going to tell them? Tell me. What will you tell them? That you are not tired of what you have been doing for over 35 years? Or that I don't have right to tell you that I am tired and I don't have interest any longer? Please, I want to be left alone.
No problem. By the time I get another wife, then you regret all this.
Who cares? Wait. What is going on? The door is locked.
Yes, the door is locked.
Why?
Because you're going nowhere until you fulfill your conjugal right to me as your husband.
Why do you want to make life uncomfortable for me in this palace?
No, you're the one making life uncomfortable for me for refusing to have sex with me as your husband. And so I have decided to get it by force.
You want to rape me? Eh? Is that what you want to do? Okay, rape me. Go ahead and rape me. After all, your father did it to his wives.
I am not my father.
Then why are you forcing yourself on me? Allow me to be, please. I am tired.
You are my wife. You are my wife, for crying out loud. You are supposed to give me pleasure. And you are refusing the pleasure of sleeping with you. No.
I have told you to get another wife. Get a younger wife that will take care of you, please. Allow me to be. I am tired.
Listen to me. I do not intend to have another wife. And I will not have another wife. You are to give me pleasure. It is my right. You must give it to me. I must enjoy my wife. I must enjoy my marriage.
In that case, I am sorry I cannot help you.
Okay.
You can go elsewhere and get your sexual pleasure as you like it.
Okay.
Go and ease it out as you like, please. But let me be. Please, I want to go out now. Can I have the key?
Come here.
Come here. Leave me alone. Are you enjoying your meal?
Yes, of course I am.
Okay. I don't know what is going on. But you seem to be in a very good mood today.
Yes, my dear. And I want to thank you for it. For opening my eyes. How would I have thought that I'll get what I've been looking for from you with a very long time? From Obi.
Obi?
Mm-hmm.
Who is Obi?
Obi is one beautiful, delectable, alluring, charming, beautiful girl I met when I went to Lorry. You know what? She's even from his kingdom.
Does that mean you have been cheating on me?
What's the meaning of that? Meaning what? Anyway, thank you for refusing me sex for such a long time. Otherwise, how would I have discovered this God's gift, God's beautiful creation? Oh, I enjoyed myself with her.
Stop it.
In fact, you are an old cargo. She's sweeter than you.
Stop it!
I think I believe now that the beautiful ones are not yet born.
I've had enough.
Women. This was the same woman that said I could just go enjoy myself with other women. And now, she's angry because I enjoyed myself with Obi. For real, I enjoyed myself. She can go to any. Please, can I just sleep in my own palace? Can I just sleep and have some good rest?
Are you raising your voice at me?
I'm not. What is it?
I am feeling you. I want you to... I'm feeling honey. I want you to perform your duties.
I don't understand why you...
I
don't understand. You say I should... This one my duties?
I want to feel you. I want us to do...
Wait. When did that one start?
Are you doing or not?
No. I already had my feel the last time. Please.
Meaning?
Meaning it is my turn to say I am tired and we are too old to have sex. We don't need it. Can I just sleep?
Are you doing or not?
I say I am not. We are too old to do it.
We are too old.
Yes.
Yet you go about having it with other girls. Still, you tell me that you don't want to take a second wife. Still...
How is that your business? I don't owe you an explanation. Well, I'll have to ask the love of my life. Did I tell you that Obi is pregnant for me? Can I sleep?
take the chances of Chioka missing the mission. So I decided to do it myself. I killed the king.
Are you saying to my face that you killed my father?
I am sorry. I was angry. I was enraged with the thought of my husband having a mistress, to the extent of getting her pregnant. At first I thought it was a joke. Not until after 7 years. He mentioned it again. He told me that that stupid mistress had a son for him. I couldn't take it. So I decided to use Chioka. You had to use my innocent boyfriend. He wasn't innocent. He charged me 10 million naira and I paid.
Mom, I'm so ashamed of you. How could you? How could you kill your own husband? What's wrong with you? I could have sworn that you will never hurt a fly. But I was wrong.
I was angry. I was jealous and frustrated. Knowing fully well that I was the one who wrecked my marriage. I destroyed the sexual relationship between my husband and I. My husband was a good man. He was patient. He waited for me to change. But no way. I pushed my husband into having a mistress. I pushed him into the life he lived. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Long live the Queen and the Crown Prince of Ezigaland. I am sorry we came unannounced. The situation calls for the urgency.
What situation are you talking about?
My prince, a few days ago, I received a startling news concerning our late king on how he was messing with a certain young lady. That was about 7 years ago. And the lady came to me with his young boy, telling me that my late king had him. Then I decided to bring him to the royal family. Though before I did that, I had to consult with the chief priest who confirmed the reality of this news. I said, okay, I will have to bring him to the royal family because by the custom, he will be the member of a royal family by right.
So it was you. You are the mistress that destroyed my marriage. Now listen to me. You and your bastard son will not have a place in this palace. Now, get out of here. Out! Going nowhere. You have a right to this palace.
Mother, please, you heard her. She said we should leave.
I said you're going
Let's go.
No. My queen, you know that the words of the chief priest are not his, but of the gods. He has made his declaration and it is binding.
Never. Never! No!
Mom, do you know the consequences of your actions? Are you aware you are disrespecting the gods? I suggest you remain quiet. That's an order. My elders, I must apologize for my mother's childish behavior. I accept all of you into the royal home.
Thank you, my prince. Thank you.
This is my prince.
He's coming.
We are men of the police force. You are needed at police station for questioning, madam.
It's been confirmed that you murdered your husband, the king. Please, come with us.
Let's go.
Why are you running away? A teacher very favorite. There is no secret that can never be revealed. One day, there is nothing hidden under the sun that can never be revealed. One day, be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful of what you do. Be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful of your decisions. You may not know the danger of your thinking. You may not know the dangers of your actions. No. Change is one thing that must happen in this life. You must change for your own good. You must change, one day. You must regret all your actions. One day. One day. Intimidation is bad, Intimidation is very bad, Only Kalani is on the police, Only Kalani